HHHunt Homes is working hard to bring you our amazing model, the Chatham, to the Covert Giles. Offering up to 4,318 square feet, this home has as many as 7 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Your kitchen is the one you've been dreaming of. Gourmet appliances, granite countertops, and a walk-in pantry. The Nook lets in natural light and connects you to outdoor living. Your family room offers you the opportunity to host the parties you've seen on TV. Work or learn from home? Your first floor also includes a study, access to your garage, and a half bath. Upstairs, you will find additional bedrooms, all with walk-in closets and your choice of a loft or another bedroom. Your owner suite's luxe living defined with 2 large walk-in closets. That means no sharing is needed. You also have additional storage options and a lavish ensuite. The second floor rounds out with a laundry center and additional bathroom. Need more space? Ask about the optional 3rd floor, perfect for a guest suite, at-home gym, or creative space. Does your home site work for a basement? This is another option for you to add additional space to your home. Ready to learn more? We cannot wait to meet you. Connect with us at hhhunthomes.com. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters. Design selections may vary by home sites, location, and chosen options.